Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to order directly on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without using agents and how you can actually make payment with your Alipay. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here now to open my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Just like so. After you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for product from the supplier right here. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for product on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. One of the first way is to simply scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products that is going to load up from the home page right here. However, you can also come to the top right here, click on here, and make sure you type the name of the product you are looking for. Then you are going to see a similar result. From here, you can easily select a particular supplier, or better still, you can click on this camera icon right here, which allow you to upload product picture sample. Then from here, you can see different supplier right here. In this tutorial, I'm going to use this particular store right here as an example. So I'm going to click on here now to open up the store. Having opened up the store, is going to load up just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do here, from the store link, we can simply scroll down right here and check on the product detail. The more you scroll down, the more you see different product picture. However, this depends on the number of the product picture that has been uploaded by the store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And more so here, you can click on here, and watch the live product video, just like what you see on the screen right here. After you have satisfied with the product detail and the product picture and the lights, next thing you need to do is to add the product to cart. And for you to do that, simply tap on love icon right here. So once you tap on love icon right there, it means that you have added the product to cart. Then you can go ahead and proceed to your profile. So I will simply go back, and for me to visit my profile, I have to make sure I click on here. Then for our profile right here, next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on here to check out the products. Then we have the products right here. So next thing we want to do is to make sure that we have the products right here, just like what you see right here. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and place the order. And for me to do that, I need to make sure I click on here, select the product. Having selected the product, next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, you can simply scroll down and then make sure you check on your Alipay. Just like what you see right here, my Alipay has been fully checked right here. Okay. Next thing I need to do is to proceed with payment. And for me to do that, I need to make sure next thing I need to do is to proceed to payment. And for me to do that, I need to make sure I click on this icon right here. So I'm going to click on that. So from this point here, I need to click on confirm right here. I need to make sure I click on confirm. Next thing I need to do is to enter my payment password. Just like so, payment done successful. Next thing I need to do is to click on done. And this pop up right here, we need to click on here to close it. So what we want to do next is to make sure. So what we want to do next is to click on here to close this pop up right here. Then I have to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found. So by the time I refresh my profile, the products I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So just like what you see right here, it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to order from Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without using agent, and how you can actually check out with your Alipay. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Salva or Pinduoduo or IDPs, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund a Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.